Hola, hola, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing the biggest haul of your life. I have been telling you guys about this humongous haul that I needed to film, and let me show you. It's big. So I am going to just pull things out of my box and show them to you guys. I'm not going to go into great detail because my plan is to film some get ready with me's and give you guys little updates and information on the actual product. If there is anything in this haul that you are interested in learning more about or having me review and demo, let me know down below. Okay, so I placed an order with Camera Ready Cosmetics and I saw these little lip sets by Dose of Colors, and I really like Dose of Colors. So I got the Truffle lip set, and then Thanks for the Love lip set. I'm gonna show you guys what this looks like. So what interested me in these is that I've always wanted to try their lip pencils, which by the way, I can tell you, they're amazing. I've used these. So you have the pencil, a liquid lip set, a mousse set, and then a gloss, and I've used them. And let me tell you guys, these are amazing little sets. I think that they would be really cute gifts for your makeup lovers, but I also love just the overall quality of the product. This is more of your peachy set, and again, you have the pencil, the gloss, a liquid lipstick, and then a mousse lip set. Liquid lip set, and I've enjoyed these. I've cheated, I've used them, I love them. The Natasha Denona Retro Palette, I did get ready with me using this set, just very gently using this set, and I picked this up because my friend P was hyping this up and just telling me how much she enjoyed it, and I wanted to enjoy it too. I picked up a Kevyn Aucoin setting powder. I recently saw this in someone's Instagram reel, and they were just talking about how much they liked it. I have used it already. It comes with a little puff. Let me tell you guys, this will definitely mattify your complexion to the point where it will feel very dry. So if you are an oily skin, you're going to love this. I also picked up 2 lip pencils. I picked up New Naked, and I really enjoyed the lip pencils. Let me show you New Naked. This is a really pretty brown shade. And then I picked up Carnal, and these come with sharpeners, which I always appreciate a sharpener. I could do without the sharpener, but they are nice. This is my favorite. These have little brush tips at the end, and they are really amazing lip pencils. They're very creamy, smooth, just everything that you would want. And then I also picked up Undressed. I forgot, I think I picked up 4. But let me show you Undressed. I've used some of these already. I haven't used this one. There it is. And again, I have Divine. So I have used some of these items. Divine I've used. So those are all of the lip liners I picked up from Kevyn Aucoin. I do like the items I picked up. I feel like with Kevyn Aucoin, it's always very hit or miss for me, but I did really enjoy those. Also from Camera Ready Cosmetics, I picked up this Dose of Colors facial cleansing sponge. I've been using one of them already, and I wanted to hold on to this one for you guys. So it has like a little hole here where you could just put your fingers in and use it to get your makeup off. This will gently scrub your face. Obviously, the more pressure you put on your face, the more intense the scrub will be. But I really do enjoy this. I don't know why this doesn't get enough love, but to be honest with you guys, it has been a game changer for me because it really just helps exfoliate your skin, but also remove the large amounts of makeup I wear. This you will probably already have seen. I picked up the Primrose palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This palette is so pretty. I really do like the packaging, and the actual product itself is pretty amazing. It is Anastasia quality shadows, very easy to work with, very pigmented. I really like this palette. Again, I'm not really wearing a ton of makeup lately. I haven't been wearing a lot of makeup lately, but I do like playing with these products, and I have really enjoyed that palette. I picked up the Patrick Ta Blush Palette. This is what the carton looks like. Let me show you this beautiful palette. I just emptied out my garbage bin and I'm gonna have to empty it out again. This is what the packaging looks like. It is absolutely beautiful. It's typical Patrick Ta quality. And then this is what the palette looks like. It is so freaking beautiful. The only shade I have really dived into is this outer shade, which I believe it's called Baked. And no complaints. Highly recommend this if you can get your hands on it. I forgot about this, and let me tell you, this was hard for me to put down. The Anastasia Magic Touch Concealer. I picked up the shade 11. As you guys know, I don't like to really go with anything really bright under my eyes. This is what the packaging looks like. When I first got this, let me tell you, I use this every day. I had to dig into this box to find it, and it was so worth it. This concealer gives you really beautiful coverage. It's very rich and hydrating without being heavy and without it disrupting, you know, everything else you put on. Obviously, like any concealer, you will have to set it, but it's such a beautiful concealer. I found myself genuinely just pulling for it, so I'm happy that I can officially add it into my rotation. I got a Bumble & Bumble Heat Shield Thermal Protection Mist. This is also from Camera Ready Cosmetics. I needed something that was going to protect my hair from the heat. Duh. I will tell you that this product, if you use too much of it, it will add like an oily feeling to your hair. So if you're somebody like me that has like fine hair, you're going to find that it makes your hair look dirty and oily. So you really have to use this sparingly, but I do like it. It just requires more effort and caution than I naturally have. So before I got my Patrick Ta blush palette, I really wanted a bright pink blush. And I was thinking about it and like, what formula do I really love? What is something that I would love to add to my collection and just kind of get that pop of pink that I wanted? And I have this blush on today, and this is the Heat Index by MAC Cosmetics. This is what it looks like. I love this formula so much. It's that like bouncy gel mousse texture, and it's absolutely beautiful. As you guys can see, it gives you a really pretty bright pink finish, and I had to take my foundation brush and like go over it because it's so rich and pigmented. But I really love this formula, and I wanted a bright pink blush and I got it. Had I known that Patrick was going to come out with a blush palette with 2 bright shades in there, I might have put off buying this, but I was really in the mood for a bright pink cheek. I picked up this Fenty Beauty Ruby Milk Gloss Bomb. This is what it looks like. I love this formula. I love the gloss bombs. I love the heat gloss bombs. I mean, Rihanna Fenty, she kills it every time. I absolutely love everything I've gotten from Fenty. So I picked up some lip pencils from Melt Cosmetics. I'm gonna show you what I picked up and what I have been loving. So I got the shade Caffeine, which is a deep brown chocolate shade. There it is. I also picked up Sepia. This one I was really excited about. It's such a beautiful brown nudie shade. Cashmere. I ended up using one of these in a recent Get Ready With Me. This is also another really beautiful brown nude shade. Bare. This is the one that I've used the most. This is what the pencil looks like. There it is. Bare. And lastly, Cinnamon. These pencils are stunning. I really enjoy them. In my Get Ready With Me, what I tell you guys is that I really love this pencil. I just think that for the price, it's so small. But they just had a 25% off sale, And I did pick up some doubles of for the pencils because they're my favorite shades in the line, and I really do like the pencil. I picked up the Rephr Holiday brush collection. So I have this little concealer brush, which is dirty somewhere, this powder brush, which is dirty somewhere, and this brush, which I used today for my foundation. I used a cream foundation, and it just blends everything out so beautifully. It's a fantastic brush. At first I'm like, this is not going to work with a cream. Like, I wasn't really sure what I would end up using it for, but for cream foundations, it's magic. It just makes everything look really blended and smooth and beautiful. These brushes were fantastic. When I purchased them, they were also giving away these organizational sets for your makeup